Uba Ronnie V. Lingdo, MLA Kamiliam, have a crunchy kila pathai kubor, Hadian Kajingon I Jing Tosh, or Lampang Ying Dorbar Tau An Kajilla, U Thomas Sangma, Ban Pintip Baula E Yakaseng Congress, but Rungno Shakaseng National People's Party, NPP, Ula Ongba U Klembo Kindon AA Ya U Konrad Ki Sangma, Menteri Rangba Kajilla, but National President ke NPP, Latang Karoy Kapar, Nakabenta ka constituency. Uba Roni uday MLA ubalami khamat ya Kamiliam constituency la laisien bat menta kakenti kata hausnam arhajar pra arhajar khatlai bat arhajar arpulai ula syarem ha uba Hamletson Dotling hausnam arhajar khatpra uba yakun na ka People's Democratic Front PDF bat yo pat ban pelim kala hausnam arhajar arpulai menba uba Hamletson ula yakun na kaseng NPP ya ka election. Uba Hamletson Dotling uday menta working president ke NPP bat kadon ka jingpet khmat ba ke NPP ka la ban kentat ai tiket ye uba Hamletson ha ka election arhajar apupra ban wan namar uba Roni uday MLA badang don ha ka syuki halor kani uba Roni ulaong ba kadang kloy palat namar dang artsnam siteng bat kapor kampat poi banyak ren tiket election ulaong ba kasyong ha ka party la kan ai tiket ye u ni ye uba Hamletson ha ka election ban wan.
Was anything offered to you? Any promises made?
No, nothing. I have joined with no precondition, and my only condition to the Chief Ministers ensure stability of the state and development for my constituency. I think the people are wise now, taking everything to consideration. People have, in fact, expressed the wishes. In fact, now that I've joined, they've told me, we wanted you to join much earlier, but we didn't have the guts to tell you because knowing your stand. But taking to everything to consideration, people, I think you can, if they were not willing, they would not have come here. I would have come all alone, maybe just with a handful of people. And I think when I go back, I think I'll receive a lot of complaint that why didn't we invite us also. I think that maybe we can, if agreed with the leaders of the party, we can have, a bigger occasion to, facilitate. Let's say. I'm elected. Hamlet was, an ex-MLA. So in fact, both of us taking everything to consideration, like I said, political development, everything. So we have come together, to work for the interests of the constituency, the state in general, and the constituency in particular.
So with your joining, NPP has become the single largest party in the state.
Right.
So how do you see this?
I think that augurs well for the stability and development of the state, because sometimes when there's no stability, it affects the development, the governance, everything. I believe with the stability now, then there is augments well for the development of the state and especially my constituency. Look at all these leaders. It wasn't my wish. In fact, I've been requested by the NPP, not only now, since 2018, 23, and then after the 23 election also, I was requested to join. But then, since I was elected in a Congress ticket, I stuck to my, party. But then the people, realizing that now it's been more than, half the term almost completed. So realizing that, we need development, we need stability. So it's the people. I think you can say hundreds of them here.
What next now?
Next now is to ensure that we get a development for the constituency and ensure stability for the state.
You see a tussle ticket, party ticket, with you and Hamlet together.
You see, that is secondary. Now we've got about 2.5 years to work for the constituency, to work for the state. So I think that will be our priority. Regarding the ticket, we will see when we will cross the bridge when the time comes.
Can you say that the joining of you to the NPP is an attempt to stem the popularity of the BBP in your constituency?
I think you're jumping the gun. Because like I said, it's the people's wishes, and none of them are going to contest elections. But realizing that we need development for the state, for the constituency, for the state, there is no such attempt, because in a democracy, each party, they can participate in elections. So the question of, because of one party, we're taking this decision, I think that doesn't exist.
Have you consulted or informed your party leadership of Congress before taking this decision?
More or less, I've hinted at them.
Did they ask you to not to take such decision?
They did. But then, I'm here to serve the people. So that's the decision I've taken. To serve the people and the state.
You have been associated for the Congress for a very long time. How do you see this ending your long association with the party?
You see, in life, there are times when you have to take tough decisions. You have to take hard decisions. So this is maybe one of the, the time that we have to take a decision for the interest of the people. Okay.
So you were the last
So
man.
because each political party is there to serve the people. If the party is not in a position to serve the people, I don't think that So we have taken this decision with the interests of the people at heart, nothing else. The people are very wise. So like I said, I was earlier requested by the NPP to join them before the election, after the election, after two elections, 18 and 23. Of course, 18 I lost, but 23 I returned back. There was a request from the party to join them, but I didn't do it because then the people started requesting me, and then you can see, I think, that I joined without the people's concurrence. I don't think it would have come.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai khandiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.